I'm singing in the rain. There's a bit in Singing in the Rain where he stands under a drippy thing. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. Sorry, no sweeties from there today, darling.
What did you say?
No sweeties from there today, I'm afraid, darling. I know, it's a shame, isn't it?
Banana.
I want banana, please. I'm a big gorilla and I like bananas. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh.
But Mummy, I want people to see it.
Okay. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? Seeing a gorilla dangling in a window.
But how about him?
Maybe he can sit on the gorilla's shoulders?
But no.
But no. Okay.
Let's open this up.
Oh, gosh. I think that's got even more pieces than the vet's.
Bags and bags of stuff.
What is it, Kit?
Bags of stuff.
Oh, there's something there as well. Oh, it's so the naughty cowboys can break out of prison. Wow, that's cool.
How can they break out of prison?
Because there's an owl in the wall. There, this bit goes on there.
We've got some stickers to do as well.
Oh,
Just
these
the
are stickings.
instructions.
Well, that goes on there somehow anyway.
That thing because it comes up really high up in the air.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
The man with no name.
I don't want any more pizza.
Okay.
All right.
Pizza.
Okay, love.
Pizza,
Oh, I love this diorama.
Pizza,
There's a lot going on there.
Pizza.
But Mr. Kit, look what you've got here.
Oh, parcel.
Yeah. Whoopsie, whoopsie, woo.
I love another parcel.
Yeah, that one's for Mummy and Daddy.
Yeah.
So we'll just leave that one for now until Daddy comes down.
Yeah.
But this one is all for you.
Wow.
Isn't that cool? I wonder who it's from. Who do you think it's from?
It's a giggy.
Ah, not quite. It is one of your relatives. It's the other Gigi. It's Grandma.
Oh.
So I'll just cut it open with these scissors.
I want to start his hand.
He's like, oh, that's exciting.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's exactly for me.
Exactly for you. That's right. Okay, there you go, buddy. It's all yours.
Oh.
What's that?
Let's take it out.
Oh, wow, presents.
Yeah, let's open that up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the side.
Mm-hmm. Oops. There.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Excuse me.
You know the backside.
Well, it's there for you to open, love. Whoa.
What? Oh my gosh. Sweeties.
Sweeties! Yummy sweeties! First you get a sweetie, then you eat it, you eat it, you eat it, eat it, eat it.
Oh.
Yummy, scrummy sweeties.
Ooh. Ooh. This is going to be really big.
Oh, what's that?
Exciting.
Whoa!
What was the side? Mega bigger. Big egg.
Whoa, big egg.
And they've got dinosaurs.
Oh, cool. So we can, I think it's one that you chip at it and open it up. So you can be an archaeologist like Indiana Jones.
Yeah.
That's cool. Oh, it's water. Ah, right.
But why?
Well, we'll have a look at that later.
Okay. Ooh, something blue.
Ooh,
Wonder what it is.
I don't know. I have no idea. Although I think I might know. Oh, no. no.
Okay. It's okay. No. Oh no.
Oh, that looks interesting.
Why?
I can see some little men.
Yeah. A mouse is a big thing. So there's something lava.
Oh, wow.
What is it? Wow.
Because it's a little dinosaur Lego park. Oh, that's awesome. So you've got a little pterodactyl to make.
Everything.
That's so good.
Why?
Well, it's just fun, isn't it? Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
You look at the camera and say it.
Thank you, Grandma.
Give her a big kiss.
Tie it, tie it.
Okay.
Oh, look at all the birds.
Wow, yeah,
Birds then.
the bird's going, what's all that noise?
I want to go with the house. I want to go with the house.
You want to do some fun thing, do you?